Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi there, I am Prakriti. You know what? Just damn, I am not that. And today I am going to be myself in front of the camera. In past few days, people are just taking me in a wrong way. They're just getting a wrong impression of me through my videos. So today I am just going to show you who I am. Sorry if I'm not looking at the lens. Just don't think that I am someone in front of the camera and some other person when the camera is not on. It's not like that. Many people came to me and they said to me that you don't look like that at all. Obviously, if you wear like tons of makeup on your face, like see, that's what I'm talking about. If you wear tons of makeup on your face and then you just remove it, obviously it's completely obvious that you're not gonna look like that person like when you were wearing makeup. It's not at all like that. Generally I get questions from people like, is that really you on your YouTube channel? Yes, it's me. Like, where are you, man? You are from this universe. I don't think that I look that different. Like right now you can see I don't have makeup on. I normally look like this, like sweaty as hell. Many people, those who do not recognize me like as in person, I just want to say over here that I look like this, I guess. Even if the camera is not there, I look like this, and I do have a good camera, guys. Like, it does capture everything. So I hope that's what you are confused about. You can see my face completely. I am that person, and I love makeup. I love wearing makeup. And plus, your opinion about me, it matters to an extent, but after that extent, it does not matter to me. That's clear and straightforward. Alright, so let's come back to the formal part of the video, and in today's video I am going to be testing a Derma Roller on my face. I do have a habit of forgetting everything, and also my tongue slips very often. Now, if you have not seen a Derma Roller before, it looks something like this over here. And believe me guys, it must not be looking spooky from that camera angle, but once I zoom you in, wait and let me zoom you in. Alright, now I guess you can see those needles, those beautiful needles. Now, Derma Roller is basically a handheld roller device with like a cylindrical head, as you can see, and this head rotates, and it has got so many, like, numerous tiny little needles, and the needle size and the needle, number of needles, they can be adjusted. So you can buy a derm roller that suits your skin and the area that you would like to treat. Now I know that most of you must be aware of this tiny little kind of thing, this spooky thing, but those of you who do not know about this, first of all, I would like to say that this is a skincare device. It's hard to believe, but it is a skincare device. Now, I have seen many videos on Derma Roller, the before and after, and that bloody ones too. So, for the bloody ones, you really need to consult a doctor. So, you have to book an appointment for that. You cannot do that all by yourself. If you have a Derma Roller that has got very thin needles, then you can use it at home. Now the needle size ranges from 0.25 mm to, I guess, 2 mm, and up to 0.75 mm you can do it at home, the whole procedure at home. But if you want to go above that, then you should consult your dermatologist. Also, if you have sensitive skin, then also try to go and see your doctor, obviously, because sensitive skin obviously reacts, so you have to go see a doctor. I am like, this is my first time. I'm just going to show you the reaction. What's going to happen? What's going to happen to my face for the first time when you apply the Derma Roller? So that's what I'm going to show you today. In that way, my video is kind of different, if you are getting what I'm trying to say. I obviously do plan my videos, but today I have not planned this video. I got this Derma Roller from Amazon. The link will be in the description. The needles are gonna go inside your skin, alright? And then the skin is going to be punctured. Obviously it needs some time to heal, so it will heal, and when it will heal it might reduce the fine lines, the wrinkles, the hyperpigmentation, suntan, acne marks, and all those things. It can heal everything. Like really, this is so small. Can you even do that? Like, can you even do forget about it. Just forget about it. It takes like almost 5 to 6 weeks to see the result, and if it really does what it claims, then it's not bad. Like, it's good. I mean, I am going to insert like tiny microscopic needles in my face if they can reduce my fine lines. Like, I have fine lines. Obviously you cannot see that on camera, but I do have fine lines on my forehead, and then I have smile lines, and the very famous hyperpigmentation around my mouth. I do have that. Now my needle is gonna be 0.50 mm, and they are 540 titanium needles. Yes, there are a few certain steps that you have to follow in order to get the perfect derma rolled skin, if that is a thing. Number one is that you just have to have a clean face, and really like clean. If you have makeup, just remove it. If you have any moisturizer, remove that too. Just cleanse your face really very nicely, because you know this thing is going to create punches in your skin, and if your skin is not clean, then you are going to get a bad infection, girl. And once you clean the face, obviously do not apply anything. Obviously I'm saying obvious things. Now just clean your face. Make sure that you have a clean face as well as a clean derma roller. Does not mean that your derma roller is not going to be clean. You have to have a clean derma roller. You can just dip it in water, hot boiling water, for 10 to 15 seconds. That will kill the microorganisms. Alright, so let's first go on the outer perimeter of my face and then to the inner. So first of all, I'm going to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't feel anything. 6. Like, I do not feel anything doing that. Let's go on my cheekbone, because I think that there is going to be some pain over there. Alright? It's really close. Ouch! It does hurt a little bit over there, but believe me, guys, if you've gone through vaccine, you can go through this completely. Huh, it's a piece of cake. It's making a kind of sound. I don't want to laugh through this process, but it's just me. I guess you can hear that. Like, come on, are you going into my face or not? I do not believe in you. Like, I do feel it over here, but over here I do not feel anything. Like, nothing. I'm not gonna bear that sound anymore. Alright, so what you have to do is that you have to go in a certain area in like different directions. So once, if you're going like this for almost 5 to 6 times, then you should go like this too, and then diagonally too, and focus too. I do not feel this thing in this area at all, but here it's burning like hell right now. I just can't work with this. It's making like a horrible sound. And next, I am just going to move on to my forehead, because that's also a major area. Now, I don't know you can see or not, but there are fine lines. Ouch. Now that hurts. That hurts a little bit. It hurts really badly in these areas. This thing has got some serious friction problems that has to be fixed. Maybe all this thing, no, but that will get some bacteria inside, so I'm not going to oil this, obviously not. Which means that I have to bear this sound. Obviously you can't go under your eyes, guys, because that area has like very thin skin, and you just can't pierce needle into that skin. The problem with this thing is that I just can't go in that area. Like, how am I supposed to go in that area? Can anyone tell me? Like, I just can't go in there. And obviously, I just don't know how to do the nose. Like, I don't know why I feel like I've done nothing to my skin. Like, visually, it looks like nothing's happened to my skin. But once you come in and feel, it's like burning right now. Now, right after doing this, what I got to know is that you just can't apply anything like makeup, but wait for like 2 to 3 minutes and then you can apply a toner, a really very mild toner. And then after applying the toner, you just have to wait for like 5 to 10 minutes again, and then you can go with a moisturizer, I guess. Now I'm just going to spray this toner all over my face. And obviously, after using, you have to clean this derma roller and then store it. Just clean it really nicely, because if you're going to store it with bacteria, the bacteria is going to multiply and it's gonna take over your derma roller, and then it's gonna take over your skin. So just clean your derma roller before storing it. My first impression on this spooky little thing is that considering the fact that it can heal your fine lines and your wrinkles and your acne marks, the pain is not horrible. Like, it's nothing compared to the fact that it can heal all those things. It's not that I am going to leave it after doing it once. I will do it for like 5 to 6 weeks as I promised, and to myself obviously, and I will wait for the results. If I get some results, I will just continue using it, or if I don't, I will just, what I'm gonna do with this. Now, in the end, I would just like to say that if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. So if you like the real me, then you can subscribe to my channel, and if you feel that this video can be helpful to someone, you can definitely share this video. And that's it. Bye, see you soon.